A mineral is naturally occurring, it is solid at room temperature, it is inorganic, it has a definite chemical formula with high orderly crystalline structure. It is primarily formed through one of three processes: crystallization, crystallographic transformation, or melting. Minerals may form in many environments and their physical surroundings determine how minerals are produced. Most form using the method of crystallization, which begins with evaporation of water into atmosphere. And here is how to identify a mineral and their physical properties. Minerals can be identified by their color nature, and a strict test can be done on an unglazed porcelain plate. The plate is harder than any minerals, so the scraping the mineral on that causes the mineral to leave a streak of powder on plate. Then followed by luster, which describes the way of light reflects off the surface of the minerals, and it describes diamonds as sparkly, as pyrite, as shiny. But mineralogists have special terms to describe the luster of minerals. First, I divide minerals into metallic and non-metallic, and minerals like pyrite that are opaque and shiny have a metallic luster. Minerals with a non-metallic luster do not look like metals. Then comes the hardness. Its mineral ability to resist being scratched. Minerals that are not easily scratched are hard. You test the hardness of a mineral by scratching its surface with the minerals with known hardness, and it is described on a Mohs scale. Then comes a cleavage. It is a tendency of a mineral to break along a certain places to make smooth surfaces. Crystal shape results from the pattern formed by the atoms of minerals when it is forming. Most minerals have a characteristic geometric shape. Specific gravity is the ratio of the density of a mineral compared to the density of water. It is more specific way to compare to the density of minerals. Magnetism. It is a distinct property in few minerals. Magnetite is the prime example, but a few other minerals may have weakly attraction towards magnet, notably chromite, a black oxide, and pyrite, a bronze sulfide. So based on the hardness, the minerals can be come to a scaling factor on Mohs scale, ranging from the softest to hardest. So I will tell you the example for each hardness for known minerals, being the softest: number 1 talc, 2 gypsum, 3 calcite, 4 fluorite, 5 apatite, 6 feldspar, 7 quartz, 8 topaz, 9 corundum, and the 10 is undisputed diamond. Muscovite got its name from the Russian called as Muscovy glass because it is as clear as window glass. It is mainly made up of potassium and aluminum, so it is a very good electrical insulator. Calcium carbonate calcite is used in the manufacturing of limestone. Chrysolite. This chrysotile is an asbestos. It is used for lining of automobiles. It is used for roof making. It is also for household application, lining like hair dryers, etc. Quartz is used in watches, etc. Apatite green is a source of phosphorus for fertilizer manufacturing. Bauxite is an ore of aluminium. And these all things are sponsored by the Geological Mines Department of Thane district. So these are river pebbles formed by the water flowing, which made the stone smooth over time. Phyllite, used for decorative purpose, and it is an example of river sand. And this is a moonstone. It is sodium, potassium, aluminum silicate. It is used in astrology gemstone. Sunstone is also a feldspar group used in astrology. Shell limestone is made up of sedimentary rocks, mostly made out of broken marine shells, corals, fossils, bound together by calcium carbonate. Clay is mainly used for pottery and other lining structure brick materials. Banded magnetic quartzite. It is a low-grade ore for extraction of iron. Phosphate nodules are calcium phosphate that forms under shallow marine sediments in coastal environment used as fertilizers. Gabbro is coarse-grained intrusive igneous rock. It is used as an alternative for granite.